what I'm going to do here, and really this should be task 8, but I'm going to keep it on task 6. I'm going to ask the program for 2 binary numbers and then work out which one is the longest one. When I've got the longest one, then I'm going to pad the shortest one. So for example, if I typed in 1101 and 111, then what I would expect to see is that the first one here was the longest one. It's got 4 characters, that one's only got 3, and I'd need 1 character to make the second one of the same length as the first one. So that's what I'm trying to achieve, but I've got a problem with, I don't know which way round I am entering them. So maybe if I typed it in like this one, the first one is now the shortest one, and the second one is the longest one. So it really should put a leading 0 onto that one to make it the same length. So that was the first one, and that was the second one. So I've got a little bit of a problem here on actually detecting the lengths of my binary strings. And I'm not going to reverse them either in this one. So in my main program, I'm actually going to get 2 binary strings. So B string 1 equals, now in my library I think they are still get while and get for. What I'm going to do is copy all of this and say that is my preferred option, paste that there, and I'm just going to call that get binary string. So now I've got 3 in there, 2 are the same. I'm going to delete these at some point later, but this is how I'm going to get my binary string with the while loop. So B string equals L dot get binary string. So there's my first one. Don't forget we need to put the message in. And then I am going to do B string 2 equals, well, I can just copy this. I'll just change that word to second. Right, I'm going to delete these, and I'm going to comment out that last line and put some spaces in. So I've now got the ability to read in 2 binary strings. Let's see what happens when I save and run my program. Print B string 1 and B string 2. Enter the first one, 111. Enter the second one, 1101. 2 different lengths. And there we go, we've got the 2 binary strings being printed out. So everything is fine at the moment. Okay, so what is the method we're going to choose here? We've got a couple of scenarios. We've got the scenario where the first one is shorter than the second one, or we've got the scenario where the first one is longer than the second one, or we've got the scenario where they are of equal length. And remember, because we're getting binary strings, we can't have letters in here at all. It's being taken care of. We can't have the empty string. So everything's fine. We can only have binary strings. But these are the 3 things I've got to check. Which one is the longest? And obviously in this case, there is no longest one. So we've got to think of a routine which is going to check these. So we will handle that in the next video.